Welcome to Tips for Life. In this video, you will learn 15 simple steps to start budgeting. Yes, budgeting is one of the most effective ways to take control of your finances, reduce stress, and achieve your financial goals. Now, while starting a budget might seem daunting, breaking it down into simple steps makes the process manageable and empowering. And so, here is how to get started with budgeting. 1. Understand why you need a budget. Before you start, it is important to identify your reasons for budgeting. Whether it's budgeting to save for a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, knowing your why will keep you motivated in your budgeting and saving endeavors. 2. Assess your financial situation. Also make sure to gather all financial information, including income, expenses, debts, and savings. Yes, understanding where you stand financially is the first step toward creating an effective budget. 3. Track your income. Also develop a habit to calculate your total monthly income, including wages, side hustles, and other sources. This is good, because knowing how much money you have helps you to plan how to allocate it effectively. 4. List all expenses. Yes, make a comprehensive list of your monthly expenses. Categorize them into fixed expenses, for example, rent and utilities, and variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. It is also necessary to include irregular expenses, like annual insurance premiums or holiday spending. 5. Identify your spending habits. Develop a habit to review your expenses from the last few months to understand where your money is going. In this way, you can take good note of areas where you are overspending or where you could possibly cut back. 6. Set financial goals. Also define your short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial goals. For example, for short-term goals, save $500 for an emergency fund. For medium-term goals, pay off, say, a $3,000 credit card debt. And for long-term goals, save for retirement or a child's education. 7. Choose a budgeting method. Yes, select a budgeting method that suits your lifestyle. Some popular options include the 50-30-20 rule. Here, you allocate 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Envelope system. In this method, you use cash envelopes for each spending category. Zero-based budgeting. In this method, you assign every dollar a purpose, ensuring that income equals expenses. If you're enjoying this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such educational videos. Let's continue. 8. Create spending categories. Yes, divide your expenses into categories such as housing, food, transportation, savings, entertainment, and miscellaneous. This will help you to allocate funds and track spending effectively. 9. Allocate your income. Yes, assign a specific amount to each category based on your priorities as well as financial goals. And make sure that essential expenses are covered first, followed by savings, and then discretionary spending. 10. Use budgeting tools. You can also simplify the process with apps or tools like Mint, YNAB, or a simple spreadsheet. You see, these tools can help you to track income, expenses, and progress toward goals. 11. Build an emergency fund. Always make sure to allocate a portion of your budget to create an emergency fund. You can start with a small goal, like $1,000, and gradually increase it to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. 12. Pay off high-interest debt. Yes, if you have debt, prioritize paying off high-interest loans, such as credit cards. You can use strategies like the debt snowball, where you pay off smallest debts first, or debt avalanche, where you tackle highest interest debts first. 13. Adjust and cut back where necessary. Yes, if your expenses exceed your income, find areas to cut back. Among other things, cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home, or shop smarter to reduce spending. 14. Monitor your progress. Spare some time to review your budget regularly to ensure you are staying on track. With this, you can adjust categories as needed to reflect changes in income or expenses. 15. Celebrate small wins. Yes, achieving financial milestones, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. So, also treat yourself modestly when you hit your goals, to always stay motivated. And there you are, 15 simple steps to start budgeting. As a final thought, remember that budgeting is a journey that empowers you to manage your finances and achieve your dreams. And by following these 15 simple steps, you can create a realistic budget that aligns with your priorities and paves the way for financial stability. So, start today and take control of your money. Remember, mastering your finances and growing your wealth helps you build the life you deserve. I hope you've enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.